Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni gucoka na ndirehoka ni urathie na mbere wega. DJ Fatxo akorwo akirwa atumie na before ngoro ngigutenderithiria icio. Muthenya wa ira DJ Fatxo came out in a press conference akiri hamwe na mawakiri make na arakorwo agishare his side of the story ya maria makorirwo makihanikira Jeff Mwathi makiri nyumba gwake on the 22nd of February mwaka uyu. Kiroko kia umuthi one city lawyer Cliff Ombeta nitukwimwe na representation yake hedi ya kesi ya Babu Owino who was alleged go shoot DJ Evolve in one club in Nairobi na akorwo ageikia some advice kore DJ Fatxo. Na kurigana na wakiri uyu, that press conference area Fatxo arekire hamwe na lawyers ake akorwo akiuga it was a disaster. Akiuga DJ Fatxo ndagiriire gukorwo akiaria because anajichanganya na akorwo akira Fatxo aria makoretwo magire gukorwo makiaria on his behalf ni his lawyers. Na ririkana one of the lawyers ni lawyer ugwitwo Ndegwa Njiro na twakimwona agitetera mundu ta governor wa iguru hindi ya kuhagurwo gwake. Na wakiri Cliff Ombeta akorwo akiuga all that DJ Fatxo arakorirwo akiuga muthenya wa ira in that press conference, it's not adding up. And actually Kenyans guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria muthenya wa ira, they went online and started to complain a lot makiuga the details iria Fatxo akorwo akirekereria in that press conference na details iria magikoretwo makiona in the alleged CCTV footage iria ikoretwo igitheremio guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, it's totally different. And one fan wrote, I think DJ Fatxo really has a terrible lawyer if this is what the press was all about. Having listened to his version, yeah, Faith, the driver and the cousin, he really needs to prepare living in prison. And you can also see some tweets wakinya on Twitter, hashtag ya DJ Fatxo nera korirwo trend muno muthenya wa ira na ginyagia kiroko kia umuthi. Na none maria Kenyans magikoretwo makiandika on Twitter, definitely ni kuronekana that press conference iratigiria andu na even more question. Na thiini wa Twitter wakiri Cliff Ombeta ni akorwo agitweet akiuga, and I quote his tweet, DJ Fatxo, stop blundering, you are supposed to be quiet at this moment, kneel by mouth, anything you say now is dangerous to you or your defense. Don't give cops ground to contradict or investigate. Let your lawyer speak. You can always deny what he says in a misquoted manner, always helps. Ni some advice Cliff Ombeta agikorwo agikiria muinio wa muboko gwitwo DJ Fatxo. Cliff Ombeta niwe wagikorirwo akirepresent story ya gukumenyithitie hau mbere Babu Owino kesi ni ya keria erikanaga he shot DJ Evolve in a club guku Nairobi. So he's your go-to criminal lawyer na kogu ageikia such advice at this particular time kore mundu uyu gwitwo DJ Fatxo. Ni kindu tungiuga it's crucial, and maybe he felt DJ Fatxo needed that. Definitely DCI homicide ni marathi na mbere na gwika the investigations makigeria gwetha mawade toria cia kihanikire mucii kwa DJ Fatxo on the 22nd of Feb niguo Jeff Mwathi agikorwo akihuruka na njira ya kiriga muno. Make sure no
subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia gwake atia na gwatuka atia.